Yo, what up, guys? Back again with another banger. I'm here with my boy Will.
Yo, what it do, you do? It's your boy Will right here.
We're gonna be using this crush to catch
some sunfish, you know what I'm saying, bro? We about to do catch and cook and everything.
Catch and cook. You know the fucking vibe? Let's get right into this, boys. This thing's fucking huge. Bro, I'm gonna chum the water.
I'm gonna catch it with my net. Okay.
I'm gonna be chumming the water. These things are retarded also. They can fucking eat anything.
She's stupid as fuck.
Honestly, we've already been testing out the waters. There's definitely a lot of them. Oh yeah, you see, I don't know if you can see there with the glare. Oh, that thing's dumb as fuck.
We gotta get the net in there before you even go for it. We throw it in the water.
Cameraman knows the fucking vibes.
He's fucking nice at it.
He is pretty fucking nice at it.
Yo, it's the first time. Don't let me down, you two, bro.
Yeah, we've been trying to get Will on video forever. His dad's been Jewish. Fucking here he is, baby. Oh, we got cameraman Adam up in this bitch. He's the fucking fish catching master.
Fucking Lord and Savior of catching fish with a net.
This is how we live off of the land, you know what I fucking mean? Doing this shit.
Give him pizza crust. They don't eat the pizza, we should eat the fish.
yeah, pizza? No, that's not good. But I was like, yo, get in the deep end.
I should be in real pussies.
I was like, I'm throwing the
Yeah, me and Blake over here haven't eaten in 4 hours. We're absolutely starving right now, man. None of this pizza was consumed by us. It all goes straight to the fish.
Still chumming this shit?
Where the fuck are they at? Holy shit, this kid just parkour.
They're all down there. Adam, I'll put them on the water.
Come on, you sons of
And I was like, you bite this to make smaller pieces? This is honestly how we live off the land. You mean this is how we do?
You shit on the daily? I throw some more over here.
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna throw like little.
Beautiful lake here.
Oh. Come on, let's get.
Oh, we got some.
Oh,
Let's go!
Okay, this is where Will's gonna come into play, and he's gonna quickly subdue the fish.
Look at that one. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna put Roberto out of his misery. All you gotta do is quickly give him one chop to the dome. Not gonna show it, but you know you'll be able to see them.
Yeah, I was like, you just gotta do this, but I was like,
it's very sad. You don't want to see it, but. All right.
Excuse.
All right, so we removed the head because it's unedible, and Will is currently scaling the fish. I don't really think he's doing a very good job.
Those was a fucking favorite. Plastic.
Yeah,
oh shit, there go the scales.
Oh, the scales are coming off, apparently. I don't really know. Gee, just eat all. So we gotta do a jack shit to this thing. Good. Alright, so Will got some meat off that thing. Now we're gonna season it.
Nugget right here. We're
I don't know
gonna
what the
season
hell
it
that
down.
thing is, but.
yeah. What type of seasoning? What type of seasoning we
Throw
got
the
with?
seasoning on the camera.
We got a nice roasted garlic and herb.
Oh,
Yummy.
the best.
Just gonna drown this in it basically, cause
Yep, just let it
Still
soak.
some scales on there.
it's descaled, baby. We don't do scales here. Okay, that should be enough.
Alright.
Basically,
we're gonna-
drown that.
Put
Yeah.
this bad boy in the live fire over
Yeah, I
there.
had my boy Alex cook up that fire.
Okay, where's the stick? Look at that.
All right.
Nice
All right,
and
ready?
seasoned
We're gonna
all
find
around,
us a good stick, and we're gonna stick it on the fire.
Alright, so we'll put it on the wood skewer.
There's a little stick here. We're gonna send it right over to the fire.
Make sure it's wood, that way it gives it a nice smoky flavor.
You know what I mean? We're just
Yeah.
gonna sit by, and we're just gonna let this thing make sure it's definitely cooked like all the way. Rather have it more cooked than a little uncooked, because you might get diarrhea or I don't know, something else from this.
Yeah, they're gonna cook the shit out of this bad boy.
So we're gonna get back to you guys once this is nice and done. We're gonna get a nice tasty piece of chicken.
Hell yeah, we are. Not chicken, yeah. So we just cooked this fish, just took it off the fire, picking some bones
Look at
out,
that,
and
Look at that meat right there. It's beautifully cooked.
Yeah, looks amazing.
Beautifully cooked.
It smells delicious.
Definitely didn't drop it in the sand.
Okay, we good? I'm
this
gonna take a bite out right here.
Alright, Will's gonna get the first bite.
I would just.
Do it.
How does it taste?
Is he gonna go for seconds? Question.
How does it taste?
It literally just tastes like fish sticks, like the inside of it.
The plate is gone. How does it taste? Go ahead, get another bite.
All right, ready? After I want to.
All right, Blake, go ahead.
All right, I got these two little
It's
pieces.
fine. It falls right out the bone. We did a little.
Right.
We did overdid the season
this
for
is,
a reason. Our first time doing it. It's honestly not even that bad.
I was like, it's not real much fish because we did put a lot of seasoning in it, but like, I was like, I don't have complaints at all.
Like I'm
Go ahead.
look at that. Just looks like fish stick, you know.
Okay,
Maybe the skin's a little too hard.
I'm gonna
too.
spit my part out because I have a bone and sand in it right now.
I give that like a 4 out of 10 right there.
All right, so
I give that a 4 out of 10. What do you give it, Blake?
I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. Mine was a little sandy, but
Yeah, we'll drop her in the
rough.
sand.
Skin's a little too rough. First time cooking.
I was like, I think we're gonna come back. I think we're gonna like, I was like, we're gonna come back again with all the right supplies,
Yeah,
like
we're
a
little
pan.
limited.
But I was like, today we just have to try it out. I don't think it came out that bad.
I think it's pretty successful for our first one of all time, man.
Absolutely. I was like,
Many more to come, YouTube. Just get ready.
Yeah.
Just get ready, man. This is not the beginning, bro.
Like and subscribe. You want more
Yeah.
live
Not the
action
end of
cook.
it, bro.
all right, guys. See you later. See you next time. Peace.